1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, pick a letter. You want that one? What's this one?
Oh.
Oh, okay. What's this one?
C.
C. Okay. How about that one right here?
E.
E. Alright. What about that one? What is it? M. How about this one right here?
Yeah.
U. Okay. What about that one?
G.
G. Good job. How about this one?
A.
A. What about, this one?
P.
P.
Oh, this. Wow.
All right. Look, what's this letter right here? What's that? What's that?
Pie.
Y. Okay. And what about this one right here?
J.
J. Good boy. How about this right here?
B.
What about this?
R.
Good.
G. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good boy. Gavin, what's that right there?
Circle.
Circle? Where's the rectangle? Where's the heart? Where's the heart? Yeah, where's the square? Where's the square? Yeah, where's the diamond? Diamond, where's diamond? Yeah, where's the triangle?